Here we have to find out the direction of electric field where electric force is given. Now we know that electric field is equal to force by charge. Now let us suppose direction towards south is positive y-axis. So force can be written as force magnitude into unit vector along y-axis, which is positive y-axis, so j cap, and q is positive.